ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka Three Olives Restaurant bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
Shisngi hadian baka sengsang partai BJP kalakan thok biang ya ke sarkar MDA halor ka isu jersey bamsam nakaliang jong usembut menteri rangba ba Preston Tensong ulaong omdai tang ke parti BJP ke persya ke bamsap ke Pampong handaiwat ke sarkar MDA ru ka persya jor ya ke bamsap ke Pampong ka badan ha kenu tat rekam jong sarkar jela Habai keren bagi la pathai kubor ba Preston lapan pau rui ke jing sngol lingo halor ke jing pen ki wen biang jong ke BJP da ke ba keren halor ke isu bamsam wat la ke coordination committee jong ke kenhon Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kelai kot baladon kido ki isu ki parti ki dewan ra apok kene committee bani keren bat bani pen bench da ke jing stu jingmon
we are also doing the same zero tolerance corruption not only BJP alone partners, the coordination committee that night we sat, we also has taken the resolution. And the resolution zero tolerance on corruption. I don't know. For that I don't know. I have nothing to say because this issue has been discussed already. And number two, we already constituted this inquiry committee from the Directorate of Local Audit. That has been done from accounts and local audit. We have already constituted and now these people they are already on the job. I take things official. Official means let them write officially through a proper forum as I said to you. We do have our coordination committee of MDA where both the BJP MLAs also they are members. And we decided last time, I think you remember well, we decided last time also that any issues, because see, we are not only BJP who is against corruption, who is against misusing of of financial thing, but as I said to you, we are also concerned the same way. So if you have anything, any party, write a letter, send to a proper forum, send to the Chief Minister, and then we will find out things, and then if necessary 2-3 inquiry committee can be kept. Why not? Let me just tell you one thing again, this is purely unofficial, so I have no comment on that. I have no comment because resolution has been already adopted. So any concerned political party who are part and parcel of the MDA government, they need to go through the proper channel. That's it.